Hi there. Let's talk about Noise Pulse 2 Max smartwatch today. This smartwatch comes with a 1.85-inch screen with 550 nits brightness, TFT, and LCD display. This product comes with a battery which can last up to 10 days. This smartwatch comes with Bluetooth calling, with inbuilt mic and speaker to take your call straight from your wrist. You can access your recent call log and sync contacts on the watch screen. It also features quick dial pad. It is easy to interact with your watch via HD mic and sharp speaker. You can also click pictures on your phone's camera via the watch and also control your music. This smartwatch comes with IP68 water resistance, which means that you don't have to worry about rain or sweat anymore. The metal finish to assure you of ruggedness for your daily use. This is the ideal companion for your health goals with the SpO2 monitoring and heart rate monitoring. With 100+ sports modes, you can also track your progress while you work out. This watch also has sleep monitoring, female healthcare tracking and smart reminders to help you track your health better and enable yourself to be more active. You also get other features like Tru Sync and 150+ watch faces. This Noise smartwatch comes with 1-year brand warranty. Thank you.